Hey everyone, today we're going to spice up the old fashioned with some tequila. We're going to use the subtly sweet oak-aged Patrón Añejo, a really nice tequila that goes down well in most cocktails. Anyway, let's get into this. Alrighty, to start this cocktail off, let's just get one of our ice balls. Now, I find the ice balls really good for any of your really simple cocktails just because it doesn't dilute it down and it keeps it really, really, really cold. Anyway, first ingredient for this, we just grab our Patrón Añejo and we put 60 ml straight into it. Bam. Bam. 60 ml straight on in. And then we get sugar syrup. We're gonna get the small side and we're just gonna do half of that, 7.5 mils. And you can adjust it later if you do want it sweeter. If you don't want it that sweet, you don't have to put that much in. And then we have the third ingredient, the final ingredient for the garnish, obviously, is the aromatic bitters. I'm trying some different bitters today as well. These are an Australian bitters. Just want to try something different. No reason really why I did it. Doesn't matter if you get on your bench as well, remember? We know that around here. All right, and then last ingredient, most important, well, last ingredient was that thing. Anyway, garnish. All right, so we'll move this to the side. Now with this garnish, we just want to get a nice big peel, just another big peel. On the Patrón site, they said 2 orange peels. So we'll do one there, and then we'll just get one more. And this menu, not menu, sorry. This recipe is on their Patrón website as well, which is awesome. You can find heaps of other different cocktail recipes on there if you do want to check it out. That's where I found this one. Anyway, I made 3 because that one is just skinny and gross. Anyway, just give this little bit of a cut up. Pop back in here, Vic, and just show what's going on. Thank you. So I actually like these little kind of weird edges. Kind of looks like a puzzle or something. Little Aztec like orange. Oh, Aztec orange kind of matches the tequila. Alright, very geometrical. Anyway, so we've got that. We'll give this one a little bit of a twist. We'll do it over the thing just so we get the get these lovely oils and juices in there. All about the juices and oils. Alrighty. And then we'll go. First little one, we'll just pop him in. Ready? Nice. And then the Aztec guy. Now the Aztec one. Give it a little bit of a twist. It might break because I've cut it. Yeah, kind of like the idea of it just sitting in there. Might just have a little bit of a play around with it, I want it to look really pretty. There we go, look at that. That looks nice. Now, it might not look like there is much in this cocktail, but with 60 ml of our Patrón in there is a lot of alcohol, so drink this one slow, sip on it, enjoy it. Cheers.